So these are going to be the elevators here in the island building of the Hilton Buena Vista Palace. He did?
Yep.
Alright, and let's go up. As you can see, these just have basic Adams fixtures.
Yeah, nothing.
But they're glass though. Alright, 6.
Those fixtures don't seem terrible.
Alright, here we go. Neat little atrium.
Sixth floor.
Okay.
Very interesting voice. There's a cab view. Nothing that exciting, honestly.
Not bad.
You want to do one more trip up?
I don't know. It's up to you.
We'll do it. Just for the...
First floor. Lobby. Going up.
I can see the ropes up there. These are traction.
Yep, I don't hear a motor either.
And
What are these?
I have no idea. If I had to guess, Schindler, but I have no idea.
Sixth floor.
Oops, sorry.
That's the interlock.
Sixth floor. Going down.
The fixtures are pretty worn out on this thing.
These aren't really the worst I've seen.
They aren't, but for a hotel like this, they could be a bit nicer. This is a 4-star resort, mind you.
First floor. Lobby.
Alright. Well, there it goes. And let's see if we can see them from over here. Yep, there they are. And that's about it.